The escape velocity from the earth surface is v. Means earth surface escape velocity is v. The escape velocity from the surface of another planet having a radius 4 times that of the earth and the same mass density. Here we have to find out escape velocity on the another planet. So we can take escape velocity on another planet is v dash because earth escape velocity is v. So what is the formula of earth escape velocity? V equal to root over capital G capital M by R. So where you know density equal to mass per unit volume, mass equal to volume into density. So it is a sphere, right? So that is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. Pi r cube rho. Why we are taking? Because here mass is there. So whatever the this is earth mass, right? That's why V equal to root over. I am taking V equal to root over. I am considering yes root over. So 2 into capital G into capital R by. So we can take M equal to how much 4 by 3. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here sorry 4 by 3 is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. So now 4 by 3 pi r cube rho I am considering. Correct. Now if you do this we'll get V equal to root over 8 capital G pi by 3 into r square into rho because r get cancelled, r will be remaining. So 2 4 ja 8 G pi, so 3 will be here. So this is the formula. There is a escape velocity on the earth. There is a earth escape velocity formula. Now planet escape velocity, there the conditions, what are the conditions are given? Conditions are radius of the earth, so v dash is the escape velocity on the planet I said, right? So radius of the earth is twice 4 times of earth radius and density is same only. Now how it will become? V dash equal to root over 8 G pi by 3 into r dash whole square into rho dash. So if you substitute the values and do equation 2 by equation 1, equation 2 by equation 1, equation 2 by, so I am taking this equation, I am considering this equation 2, then equation 2 by equation 1, then how it will become? So v dash by v equal to, so what will get? So you can write root over 8 G pi by 3 into r dash square rho dash by root over 8 G pi by 3 into r square rho dash. Sorry, rho. This is only rho, right? Because earth escape velocity we are considering. So it will be only rho I am considering. Understood? So now how it will become? We'll see that one. Final answer. That will become v dash by v equal to root over r dash square by r square into rho dash by rho. That will become v dash by v equal to root over 16 square by r square into rho dash by rho, anyway rho dash is rho only, right? So you will get cancel everything, this will get cancelled now. So V dash by V, escape velocity of another planet by escape velocity of the Earth. That is equal to root over 16. Here 16 will get, then V dash by V equal to 4. Then V dash equal to 4V. So this is the answer. So we'll check the answer. This answer. Whatever we answer we got. So here we'll see. Here is the answer. 4V. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you so much.